In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate striker bolt on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. On each side of the bed where the tailgate clamps on with its latches, you'll see this striker bolt. You can use a T45 Torx bit to remove this from the bed. These can be fairly tight. There it is. Take the new one and start it in. Now the mounting nut that's on the other side should be held on with a couple tabs. Sometimes they fall down. They're not supposed to. So if it does, you're gonna have to pull the taillight off with two T20 bolts and fish that mounting nut out. For me, it stayed, as you can see, so that's great. I'm gonna tighten this back up. Try to adjust it in the same position that it was before so that the tailgate can actually latch on correctly like it was lined up. Okay, that got snug. I'm gonna give it a little bit extra, and that's it. Now you can repeat the process on the other side to replace both at the same time. I do recommend it, especially if you're replacing it because these plastic pieces are worn out. And now, of course, let's test the tailgate to make sure it latches on correctly. Perfect, nice and smooth.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.